2016 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with the fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today. Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile Powertrain Limited Warranty, a comprehensive 150-point inspection, 10 years of roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.